Hello, happy sunny Sunday morning. It is lovely and rainy here in Hamilton, and I'm here for an Autobahn Scotland Sunday car meet. I just drove past the car park there. It's in a car park centre, and yeah, the car park's quite full. It looks like there's maybe about 20 cars or something already there. So I'm going to take you on a tour in this video to see what cars have turned up. It is almost June. June is next week, it's the end of May, and this is the weather we're having. Absolutely fantastic. But we persevere and we shall see what cars are there today. I did have a sneak peek. There was a purple Porsche GT3 RS, I want to say. I was literally driving by when I caught it, and a Supra. So let's crack on. Okay, so back in the car just about 10:30, so that's maybe 15-20 minutes there. Quite a small venue and small car park, but there was 3 GT3 RS Porsches, and then there was a couple of McLarens. Supra stood out to me, and the two, one Lotus Emira, and then 2 Lotus Evoras, which was also quite nice to see. Probably my standout is the purple on that 911 GT3 RS. I think this looks really cool, that metallic purple colour. And yeah, that was about the main highlights. You can comment below your favourite from the day. And yeah, I will see you all next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.